Manufacturers face two major challenges: to produce products with zero defects and first time right. Manufacturing processes are controlled by a set of predefined process parameters that must be kept within tolerances to always ensure a certain quality of the produced goods. It is necessary that the properties of the raw materials or incoming parts are also within certain tolerances before they enter the process. This approach can prove to be very costly. Current approaches are also particularly critical when dealing with small batches of complex and highly customized products. So, there is enormous potential that has not yet been tapped. To exploit this potential, we at Virtual Vehicle are pioneering a new paradigm for manufacturing process control. Our ambition is to control processes directly towards the linked functional performance of the end product. We are able to do so by means of real-time co-simulation of the product performance and process, using the existing digital twin that mirrors the actual process with all the current actual values. By feeding this control loop with measurement data on incoming individual variabilities, we can balance all involved parameters for each individual part to ensure its functional compliance and conformity before the part is even built. If disturbances or deviations occur during the process, the target parameters are adjusted in real time and on the fly, with regard to the functional objectives of the overall system with the least required action, which results in the production of the current component in line with the specification. We believe that this holistic approach is key to optimized processes. Get in touch